Penguin is found in Australia, Africa, America, Antarctica. Correct option is Antarctica. Larval stage, larval stage of holothurians, Auricularia, Bipinnaria, Pluteus, Orthopluteus. First option is correct, Auricularia. Most important criteria presently used for classification of living organisms, breeding habits, presence or absence of notochord, anatomical and physiological characteristic, resemblances in external feature. Third option is correct, anatomical and physiological characteristics. Classification of phylum Porifera is primarily based on spicules, shape of conocytes, canal system, ascocyte. First option is correct, spicules. Order Squamata consists of crocodiles, lizards and snakes, bats, turtles and pangolin. Second option is correct, lizard and snakes. Echinoderm show following characteristics. Spiny skin symmetry, spiny skin bilateral symmetry, smooth skin radial symmetry, spiny skin radial symmetry. Fourth option is correct, spiny skin and radial symmetry. What is true about birds? They excrete mostly urea, they have a beak but no teeth, they possess a diaphragm separating thorax and from abdomen. They are usually maintain a body temperature which is relatively lower than that of mammal. Second option is correct, they have a beak but no teeth, which is a matching set of a phylum, its class and its one example. Coelenterata, hydrozoa, cuttlefish, Annelida, oligochaeta, leech, Arthropoda, arachnida, spider, chordata, reptilia, salamander. Third option correct, Arthropoda, arachnida, spider. Which class of protozoa includes all parasitic forms? Mastigophora, Sporozoa, Ciliata, Sarcodina. Second option, Sporozoa. The book Systema Naturae was written by Lamarck, Aristotle, Haeckel, Linnaeus. It is by Linnaeus. Locomotory organelles of Sporozoa are Pseudopodia, cilia, none, flagella. Correct option, none. Protozoans are considered animals because these are autotrophic, heterotrophic, herbivorous, carnivore. Correct option, heterotrophic. Limbless amphibian is Hyla, Ambystoma, Nectarus, Ichthyophis. Fourth option correct, Ichthyophis. Aristotle's lantern is a characteristic of echinoderm class. Ophiuridia, Asteroidea, Echinoidea, Holothuridia. Third option correct, Echinoidea. A suctorial mouth is found in Ascaris, Taenia, leech, earthworm. Third option correct, leech. Animal that transforms from biradial to radial symmetry in its life history is Hydra, starfish, sponge, ovelia. Correct option, starfish. Starfish belongs to class Ophiuridia, Asteroidea, Cephalopoda, Pisces. Correct option, Asteroidea. Larva of Phasema is Auricularia, Parenchyma, Veliger, Trochophore. It is Veliger. It is Veliger. Anadrome, Anadromous fishes move from river to sea, from sea to freshwater, from sea to estuary, from estuary to sea. Second option correct, from sea to estuary. Voice box in birds is syrinx, glossopharynx, larynx, pharynx. It is syrinx. Eyes of which group of mollusks resemble vertebrate eyes? Cephalopoda, gastropoda, pelcipoda, bivallia. It is cephalopoda. Cartilaginous fishes do not have Cartilaginous fishes do not have operculum, scales, gill slits, pelvic one. It is operculum. Most important characters of all sponges: herbivorous nutrition, conocytes, coelentron cavity, only sexual reproduction. It is conocytes. Four pairs of legs is characteristics of Arthropoda, Crustacea, Insecta, Arachnida. Fourth option, Arachnida. All sponges without exception are marine, contain spongocele and flagellated collar cells, possess spicules, possess a mixed skeleton of spules and spongin fiber. Second option is correct, contains spongocele and flagellated collar cells. Collar cells are characteristics of roundworms, earthworms, sponges, acronworms. Third option correct, sponges. Just as mammalia is to chordata, so is Trematoda to platyhelminthes, Ophidia to snakes, Periplaneta to insecta, Cetacea to vertebrate. First option, Trematoda to platyhelminthes. What is common between leech, centipede, and earthworm? are hermaphrodite, have no legs, have malpighian tubules, have ventral nerve cord. Fourth option, have ventral nerve cord. Which set includes only aquatic animals? Sponge, starfish, silverfish, hydra, octopus, seahorse, corals, paramecium, earthworm, prawn, mosquito, stork. Second option is correct, hydra, octopus, seahorse. A larval stage occurs in life cycle of the animals of which set? Ascaris, housefly, frog, frog, lizard, cockroach, housefly, earthworm, mosquito, mosquito, butterfly, ascarid. First option is correct, Ascaris, housefly, frog. Common feature of whale, bat, and rat: presence of external ears, absence of neck, presence of muscular diaphragm between thorax and abdomen, extra abdominal testes to avoid higher temperature of inside the body. Third option is correct, presence of muscular diaphragm between thorax and abdomen. Gorilla, chimpanzees, man, and monkey belongs to the same family, species, genus, order. Order is the correct option. Which statement is correct? Workers, drones, and queens of honeybees or subspecies. House crow and jungle crow are two separate species. Liger, this is a hybrid of lion and tiger, is a new species. Bulldog and Irish Terrier are two species. Second option is correct. House crow and jungle crow are two separate species. What is common between ostrich, penguin, and kiwi? These are running birds. These are migratory birds. These have four toes in their feet. These are flightless birds. Fourth option, these are flightless birds. Sum of all populations of same kind of organisms forms a community, colony, species, genus. It is a species. Which set includes animals belonging to the same phylum or group? Sea pen, sea fan, sea mouse, sea urchin, sea lilies, astrias, cockroach, earthworm, crab, ascaris, tapeworm, earthworm. Second option is correct, sea urchin, sea lily, and astrias. Now, all birds without exceptions have feathers, can fly, lay eggs, and are endothermic, have toothless jaws and enucleated erythrocyte. Second option is correct, lay eggs and are endothermic. Correct set of phylum, class, and an example is Platyhelminthes, Turbellaria, tapeworm, Annelida, Oligogeta, leech, mollusca, Palsipoda, octopus, Chordata, Pisces, seahorse. Fourth option is correct, Chordata, Pisces, and seahorse. Animals that produce pus belong to the phylum Arthropoda, Coelenterata, Mollusca, Annelida. It is mollusca. Which of these does not have an open circulatory system? Frog, tadpole, cockroach, prawn, sepia. First option is correct, frog, tadpole. Coelom derived from blastocele is known as anthrocoelom, hemocoelom, pseudocoelom, cytocoel. The correct option is pseudocoelom. Common characteristics of all vertebrates without exception is well-developed skull and vertebral column, exoskeleton, two pairs of functional appendages, body regenerated into head, neck, trunk, and tail. First option is correct, well-developed skull and vertebral column. This is the correct. Phylogenetic classification is one which is based on utilitarian system, overall similarities, common evolutionary descent, habits. Second option is correct, overall similarities. A species is taxonomically a population with common characteristics are evolutionary based, basic category to which most taxonomic information is attached, fundamental unit in phylogenetic history of organism, group of evolutionarily related population. Second option is correct, basic category to which most taxonomic information is attached. Radial symmetry is usually exhibited in animals which have one opening of alimentary canal, live in water, have ciliary mode of feeding, are attached to the substratum. Second option is correct, live in water, which is an example of Platyhelminthes, Trypanosoma, Schistosoma, Plasmodium vauchiria. Second option, Schistosoma. Which one is a non-parasitic mosquito, tapeworm, sea anemone, leech? Third option is correct. It is sea anemone. Tube feet are characteristic structures of starfish, cuttlefish, cavefish, jellyfish. Correct option, starfish. Protists obtain their food as photosynthesizers only, chemosynthesizers, photosynthesizers, holotrophs, symbionts, holotrophs only. Third option is correct, photosynthesizers, holotrophs, symbiont. Toothless chitinous beak is Characteristics of bat, crow, lizard, none of this. It is crow. Mollusca to gastropoda is like chordata to mammalia, arthropoda to arachnida, both none of. Correct option, both. Correct set in classification is Platyhelminthes, Taenia, roundworm, flatworms, arthropoda, centipede, millipede, silverfish, Nidaria, cuttlefish, silverfish, sea urchin, Annelida, earthworm, leech, liverfoot. Second option is correct. Arthropoda, centipede, millipedes. These are all about it. Again we will meet. Thank you. Again we will meet in the next video with more important questions for